for it.
There's human beings that have different temperament and different minds and different mentality and a ruthless competitive drive that's almost terrifying to the ordinary person.
The earth can see.
Look, the fire's coming. Are you ready for the fire? We're firemen. Okay. We are firemen! I got it, Coach. The heat doesn't bother us. We live in the heat.
I go to the core. I am Invictus.
Because if I hurt him, I wasn't taking his neck.
What were you gonna take?
His soul.
We train in the heat. Yeah, it tells us that we're ready. We're at home. We're where we're supposed to be. Flames don't intimidate us. What do? We control the flames. We control them. We move the flames where we want to. And then we extinguish them.
I am cold. I am emotionless. I am zen, at peace, ready for war.
But I'm telling you right now, this is my life and I'm willing to die to beat you. I will die to beat you. Know that.
All right. Be prepared to do that.
How many people in this planet? I said what, around 5 billion people, 6 billion? I thought I could beat every one of them in a fair fight.
See, I'm not a monster. I'm a man of my word. You do not think like other men. You are unpredictable. And that will serve you well. Use your anger intelligently. And I promise you, my son, that one day the whole world will know and fear I, Father Paulus.
I just cracked one day and I was like, happiness. Because it felt so out of reach that I was like, just f it. I'm not even gonna shoot for it. I'm just gonna do stuff.
There's only one rule in this f***ing jungle. When the lion's hungry, he eats.
Game on the line. Who would take the last shot?
Me. That's a dumb question. Me.
I woke up. Everybody else is because I woke up. That's how I look at it. You all had a chance until I woke up. In today's mind, that's just what it is.
And you didn't learn your limitations? I have no limitations.
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, and maybe not the next month. Pero only one thing is true.